Lesson 8, Session 2, page 170. In this lesson, we are learning how to compare two objects to subtract. Whenever I write anything on my paper, I want you to write on your paper, okay? Here we go. We're going to follow along and we're going to read together. Put your finger under the word there. Here we go. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? So here's my question mark. That means they want to know something. So we need to figure out if there's more hats. So I'm going to draw a hat, or more children. How many children do not get a hat? That's another question. They want to know something. So we're going to read it again. This time you're following along while I read. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? How many children do not get a hat? I'm going to read it one more time. Close your eyes and think about what I'm saying. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? How many children do not get a hat? Model it. Okay, open your eyes. Here it's kind of giving us the answer. Here it says, find 6 minus 4. Well, I like to look at all of the evidence and make sure it's all there, even if it's written down, because sometimes they like to trick us. Here it says, match 4 hats with 4 children. 4 and how many more make 6? So here's a hat. These are our hats, and these are our children. It said there are 6 children. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. 1, 2, 3. Yep, there are 4 hats. So they made a bar model. Let's draw a box around our model. Let's draw a line down the middle. Now we are going to compare the hats and the children. But let's see, it says, are there more hats or children? Well, let's see. Looks like there are more children and there are fewer hats, right? So there are fewer hats and there are more children, right? And let's compare. Hat, child, hat, child, hat, child, hat, child. There are 1, 2 fewer hats, and there are 1, 2 more children. So if we're going to compare to subtract, we always have to start with the greatest number. So what is our greatest number? Our greatest number is always the what? The whole. And these two parts together make our whole, right? And we know that we can do whole minus a part equals a part, or we could do a part plus a part equals a whole, right? And the greatest number that we knew when we were comparing the hats and the children was the number 6. There were 6 children, right? These are our kids. And there were 4 hats. That's the part that we knew. And there is a missing part. Well, let's see. How many did not have a hat? Let's see. This child did not have a hat, and this child did not have a hat. There were 1, 2 fewer hats, and there were 1, 2 more children. Let's count from the part we knew up to the whole. 4, 5, 6. How many children did not have a hat? 2, right? Let's label our part whole. There's my minus sign. Whole minus a part equals a part. I can count on from the part I know up to the whole. 4, 5, 6. What was my missing part? 2. Same as here. There were 1, 2 fewer hats and 1, 2 more children. Ooh, more words. There are more what? What was there more of? Where did we write the word more? M-O-R-E. Did we write more here or here? Right. So what are these? There are more children. So to make it easier, we're going to write or draw the picture for the children. There were more children. How many blank children do not get a hat? How many children do not get a hat? 1, 2 children did not get a hat.